Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get your National University results easily. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, and type the official National University website address into the search bar. This is the primary portal for all student information, including your academic performance. Ensure you are on the authentic site to protect your personal data and access correct information. Once on the home page, carefully scan the main navigation menu for a link labeled Results or Examination. Often, you will find this link positioned clearly at the top of the page or in a sidebar. Sometimes, it might appear as a large, clickable button. Select this option to proceed to the next stage, which is crucial for accessing your individual grade sheet. On the Results portal, you will be prompted to enter your unique roll number and your registration number. It is vital to input these details precisely, as even a single incorrect digit can prevent access to your results. Next, use the drop-down menus to accurately select your specific academic degree, such as Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science, and the examination session for which you are seeking results. This ensures you retrieve the correct information. Once you have entered all the required information, simply click the Submit or View Results button. Your comprehensive academic performance will then appear on screen, showing all your subject grades and overall standing. You can review your results thoroughly right there. For your personal records, we recommend printing a physical copy or saving the displayed statement of marks as a PDF file on your device for future reference. This ensures you always have a copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.